better than how you did it. Ready? I'm not. It takes about 30 seconds. I can just start to feel it because it swallows a little. Oh, she's sticking out. I'm sweating. Give it time. First one gets done.
Oh, it's not there.
Yeah, it's red.
Give it time.
Yeah. Yeah, red. Keep going back there. Do it. Start tying.
That's what I did. I ate as fast as I could. I ate 3 of them as fast as I could.
Still gets hot. Like,
After 4, I couldn't breathe. Remember that?
You're gonna really eat it. Like the cup.
yeah. It makes me hot.
They're a little spiky.
Yeah. Here we go. I was waiting for that.
This is going to stop.
I know.
The real way to do it is doing my wings where you got to take his face in there.
Yeah, that's what I did.
I just stick tradition.
Yeah.
You know,